Welcome to Money Stickman, the channel where personal finance becomes simple, practical, and easy to understand. If you've ever felt confused about saving money, investing, budgeting, credit scores, or building wealth, you're not alone. The truth is, most people were never taught how money really works. We spend years in school learning math, science, and history, yet very few of us learn how to manage money. That's exactly why Money Stickman exists. Here, we break down complex financial topics into simple lessons using easy-to-follow Stickman animations. Whether you're trying to save your first $1,000, pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or start investing for the future, this channel is designed to help. No confusing jargon. No unrealistic get-rich-quick promises. Just practical financial education that helps you make smarter money decisions every day. We'll cover budgeting, saving, investing, passive income, credit scores, and financial mistakes to avoid. We'll also share proven wealth-building habits used by financially successful people. Our goal isn't to make you rich overnight. Our goal is to help you build a stronger financial future one smart decision at a time. If that sounds like something you'd like to learn, make sure to subscribe and join us on this journey. We'll upload video regularly on Tuesday and Friday. Welcome to Money Stickman.